Hello everyone, I am Sofikul Mullik. Welcome to Coding Adda. Today we'll talk about control flow, that is if else statement. I have written one program here. You can see we have a variable age with value 60. If age greater than equals to 60, then we are printing senior. If age less than 18, then we are printing minor. If age greater than 18 and less than 60, then the person is junior. You can observe here we don't have any parenthesis after if statement. In other programming language, we generally use first bracket after if you are. The condition remains in parenthesis, but in Go, we no need to use any such parenthesis. And this second bracket is mandatory here, even if there is one line. Now we'll talk about the second style. Here we have two part 1 and part 2. This is initialization and this is the condition. We are calling on function is error. It's giving us one boolean. The value can be true or the value can be false. Here we will get the value of error variable, either true or false. If error is true, then this line will be executed. If error is false, then this line will not be executed. One more thing you already have noticed, we no need to use any semicolon at the end. That's all. Now we'll execute this program. Let's see the output. We have senior. Because the age is 60, then this statement will be executed. We'll got senior. Next output, we are getting something unexpected happened. Error is returning true. That's why we are getting something unexpected happen. Let's change the value of this to variable. Make it 15 and make this error variable false. Now we'll execute. Now the output is only minor because the age is 15 and this is false. So this line is not executed. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you.